Sometimes I look at my code and I'm like, what the is going on? Let's fix that. Comments are the idea of adding some explanation to your code to make it more understandable. So you can do that by just adding a hashtag at the beginning of a line, and then whatever you write for the rest of that line can just be normal English. You can write whatever you want, and it's just to help you as the coder understand what you did, or a future person looking at your code. It can be very useful, especially if you look back at your code after a few weeks and you're like, what? Now, you don't want to over-comment your code, and honestly, the best code is clear enough that it doesn't need comments explaining it. But of course, there's a lot of times where you should have comments. So for now, best practice is just to practice writing comments, because it's going to be helpful later on. You can also comment to the right of a piece of code using the hashtag. The hashtag just says everything to the right of this is a comment. So it can be anywhere on the line, but everything from it right will be considered a comment and not code. Now, what if you want to write a comment that takes up multiple lines? Well, you can use the triple quotes. So this is 3 either single quotes or 3 double quotes at the beginning and the end of your multi-line quote. This is also a super useful trick if you want to comment out a bunch of code that you don't want to run at the moment because you're debugging or testing something out. You could also save multi-line strings. So you could do that in a way we've already learned by writing string 1 equals and then in quotes hi \n goodbye end quotes. Now I'll put hi on one line and goodbye on the next line. Or you can use triple quotes and write hi and then press return on your keyboard, write goodbye, and then end the triple quotes. And that will do the exact same thing. And that's it. Any questions? Or comments?